Exmo is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that makes it easy for anyone to start trading and managing their crypto assets. To begin, simply create an account by visiting Exmo's homepage. Click the Sign Up button, fill in your email address, create a secure password, and complete the quick verification process. Once verified, log into your account to explore the user dashboard, which is packed with features. Exmo supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Use the deposit function to transfer funds into your account, choosing between cryptocurrencies or fiat options like USD or Euro. The intuitive interface allows you to trade easily on the spot market or utilize advanced options like margin trading for increased potential returns. The platform also features staking, allowing you to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Navigate to the staking section, select the coin you wish to stake, and review the offered APR. With Exmo's daily accrual system, your earnings grow steadily, providing a great way to maximize your assets. For advanced traders, Exmo offers powerful tools like detailed charting, customizable trading pairs, and API integration for algorithmic trading. Beginners can benefit from educational materials and feed discounts through the loyalty program. Security is a top priority on Exmo, with robust measures such as two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once you are familiar with the platform, you can explore other features like crypto-to-crypto exchanges, DAS withdrawals, and participation in referral programs to earn additional rewards. The sign-up bonus offer is a great way to get started, so don't miss out. Subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to stay updated on more cryptocurrency guides and reviews.